Okay, so we're pretty bearish for today, in my opinion. Let's first focus on ES only. So we took out a bunch of liquidity to the downside. Okay, we made equal low with these Asia lows during London session. Okay, but it looks like we could be, coming to take them out, because wait, did we actually make equal lows? Yeah, we did. Okay, nice. So I mean, definitely, I would like to see these lows getting taken out. Okay. Actually, I can get rid of this trend line because we just disrespected this. Okay. Let me get rid of this as well. So we have a bunch of liquidity. Okay, to the upside, but I'm not really looking forward to any longs today. We have this liquidity, okay, which I'm going to remove because we already took it out. So I guess I will have to go back a bit more to see the liquidity that we have over here, because yeah, as I said, we're pretty bearish. So I would like to see some, let's do 30, yeah, some shorts today, well, let's go to the 1 hour. Oh my god, it's lagging so much. Let me pull up. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, here it is. Shit. I have to go back a lot, dude. Fuck. It's like so fucking so much, dude. Holy. Let's do 70 maybe. It's gonna hold. I'm not sure. Okay. Nice. So we have on ES these New York AM lows, these London lows, which have they taken out? No, they haven't. Nice. Again, New York AM lows. If they haven't been taken out already, which they haven't, but nice. So these lows. So we got a bunch of liquidity over here, I'll probably have some more liquidity over here as well, but I don't want to get too far behind, which is already like a lot behind November 2025. So now, in my opinion. So let's do this, and let's do this as well. Okay, nice. Okay, the market just opened. Okay, these are New York AM lows, if I remember correctly. These are London lows. Where are them? Yeah, and these are New York AM lows again. Okay, nice. So let me go. Yeah, let me search for it from this on MNQ as well. So as you can see, guys, on MNQ, we took out a lot of liquidity that we had to the downside. I don't know if you can hear this, if you can see this conglomerate of lows. We took out everything over here basically, as well as this. We didn't take out these New York AM lows, which causes a bullish SMT. We have a bullish SMT because we didn't take out these New York AM lows, but we did take them out. Took them out on what's it called? ES. So from here to here, dude. Holy. Yeah. This is an SMT. Okay, high time frame SMT, which I'm honestly liking very much. I like this a lot. If I see the opportunity to long, I could, be trying to take this, but we'll see. We have to react to what price does, Considering also that we failed to take out these Asia lows, we could be setting up for some nice longs as well. Holy, look at this volatility, dude. Look at this volatility. Holy. Okay, so we took out these London highs pretty much immediately as they were made. So we have, this is a high support area. You know, you see how price reacted off of this area quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's reacting. This is the 4th time, and we just took out these New York AM lows, which leads me to think that we could be setting up for some nice longs, you know. But I want to wait. I want to see until we take out these Asia highs, you know, or until I get some more confirmation that we want to, you know, move higher. So we got these Asia highs, New York PM highs, London highs. We're going to take it over here, New York PM highs, and yeah, and Asia highs. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So looking at this, I would say I don't know which one of the indexes is leading. I guess Nasdaq could be leading, you know, but I'm not too sure. I'm not entirely convinced, you know. So we have this, These are New York PM highs. These are Asia highs. Okay, nice. London highs, let's take them over here because they are likely going to get tapped if we go long. You're probably not going to want to reach data highs because of these big ass for value gap that we have, these 2 big ass for value gap that we have over here, you know. So I would say that I'm more prone to London highs, you know, and that's it. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a reaction after we see these Asia highs, you know. It would be nice. Okay, so we respected this 1 hour bullish for value gap here on ES. I mean, respected. We gotta see when the candle closes, you know, if it's going to end up being respected or not. Yeah. And yeah, we respected these as well on Nasdaq, but actually, you know, it's not that important. At this point, I guess that if we see these Asia highs, I should go for a continuation model because I'm definitely with that big SMT on the higher time frame. I'm not too sure about the shorts, you know. So I would try to go long today, you know, and sorry, y'all. As I was saying, I would say that I should search for a continuation model if you see these Asia highs instead of an inverse value gap model. So yeah, that's it pretty much. And this is setting up nicely to become a 1 hour breaker as well, because we have these no, actually it's not very clean, you know. Let's see if we have a better one over here. We have a low, high, lower, low. It's not clean. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. I guess this could be considered a breaker, you know. Because we have low, we have high, lower, low, and higher, high. You know, it's not the cleanest example. I mean, we do have with this one as well. low, high, lower, low, higher, high, but price never retraced into this, you know, so it would have been a fade, you know. So let's see if price either wants to come into this breaker. What the fuck is going on today for me? Or if we wanna make a retracement inside this breaker right here, you know. So and if we are even gonna get a retracement, you know, considering how price action was the last days, you know. Let me log into Lucid again. Yeah, you see, I traded on the trade that I took last time ended up being a break even. I lost $2 on the 50k or Lucid Flex. I don't know why. And on the black Lucid Black, I made $13. Also on the also on the Lucid Pro, I made $13, which I don't quite understand how that was possible, honestly. Because I mean, losing $2, you know, maybe it was because of the commissions. I don't know. Like 13. I don't know what. I don't know why. Like, dude, I made 13. I made a total of 15. The commissions were $2, so I should be at 13, not -2. Like, what the fuck? Whatever. Oh, what are we getting? We're getting some rejection from these eyes. How is that? How is that? Yeah, my phone is not. It's out of charge. I have to charge it a bit. Because if I need the hotspot later, it consumes like a fucking ton of battery, you know. Yeah, that's it. I mean, if we are able to get a closure above this rally up here on the 4-hour, then these Asia highs are pretty much in play, you know, because we don't have anything else after that, you know. So, yeah. Oh yeah, the breaker looks clean on the 5. You have a low, high, lower, low, higher, high. No. You know what I'm saying? Wait, was that on the 15 minutes? Yeah, it was. Okay, nice. So keep looking at this on the 15 minutes. Cause like, you know, it looks kind of better on Nasdaq though. Yeah, definitely. We have low, high, lower, low. I mean, shit, I don't know. I could just use, you know, on the 30 minutes instead. For ES, I got a breaker here. Low, high, low, low, high, high. You know, so, and we took out this liquidity right here. So this is a money sweep. Shit, dude. This is a money sweep. So let's see if price wants to come down into this area later to you know, to retrace. And if it does, I'm going to want to long until this London high, you know, which is kind of juicy, very juicy in my opinion. And also, yeah, this is March, by the way, not February anymore. So on the 2nd of March, we have PMI. at 4. Holy. That is not good, dude. That is not good. I do not like that. I do not like this. I do not like the fact that we have PMI at 4. Holy, dude. Fuck off. If I set that up, I'll take it, but I will have to put my break even very fast because I don't want to end up taking a loss because of news, and getting stuff I can stop that, so yeah. all right. Yeah, bro. You see, if we get a closure like this on Nasdaq, I would say the Asia highs are pretty much taken out already because we don't have anything else that's stopping us from taking the, So we'll definitely be searching for a nice long opportunity. What about here, when we make the retracement to this breaker block, obviously. Dude, okay. Holy. Dude, these stops are just so fucking wide, dude. It's incredible. Like, damn. I guess I should just risk more, I guess. Like 300 maybe? Yeah, 2.6. It would be better for me to just risk more. I mean, otherwise I can't buy shit, $300 and 300 as well for this. Yeah, nice. Wait, is it? Okay, nice. Okay. And I mean, yeah, let's just fucking wait, I guess. Okay. Very interesting closure. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and set a I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if I get the opportunity too long as we come in here, Gotta change in the state of the delivery as well. Probably like around here. Even this. Damn, bro. Yeah, like this. Nice. Come on, bro. If this shit is not gonna give me any fucking retracement, and I have to stay like here for the whole fucking day just looking at this, I'm gonna get fucking. I'm gonna be so fucking pissed off, bro. Like, I'm telling you. Like, genuinely, dude. I'll be so pissed off, Ooh, this is a nice strong liquidity on Nasdaq that we have right here, though. We have two relative equal highs. These are New York PM highs, so very interesting strong liquidity, Very interesting. fuck? Dude. Fucking mosquito at this period of time, dude. Fuck off. Get the fuck out of my feet, dude. Fuck off, dude. Fucking mosquito, bro. But who knows? Maybe we're just coming up to fill this gap right that we have right here, you know, to then move even lower. So we kind of have to see what price wants to do, you know. And if we sweep these highs before getting a retracement, I'm gonna have to revisit my strategy for today, because we could be reversing as we sweep these highs, you know. But we gotta see. We gotta wait and see what happens, you know. But for now, it doesn't seem like both indexes wanna give us any retracement, you know. Yeah. Definitely, dude. Definitely. Yep, here they are. Here it goes. Yeah, took a Asia highs. So let's see. Get a nice rejection from these. Actually, let me scale down a bit, because like I want to see if we get an inverse Valiga model after sweeping these Asia highs, you know. Because if we do, I could try to short this, you know, instead. But we gotta be really careful with shorts, because like we gotta keep in mind the big SMT that we have, you know. The big SMT that we have down at the bottom, down here, you know, with the New York EM lows. And I mean, if we want to short, holy. We're getting some pullbacks. If I were to take a short right here, oh no, nothing. No for Valiga for us, no. Never mind. We could be trying to look at these 5 minutes for Valley Cup to get filled. It's probably actually 15 minutes. Yeah. Could be looking for the 15 minutes for Valley Cup to get filled. And as well as the breaker. And from there we can take a trade and place our stop below the breaker. Okay. Holy. This has the potential of becoming a breaker unicorn, guys, you know? Where we have a breaker block and we have a Valley Cap inside of the breaker. So if we can make a retracement inside here, and I mean this is out of no man's land pretty much, because we didn't sweep any key liquidity levels, you know, but it looks interesting, you know, it looks very interesting if we can come into this area, definitely. So 6823, where is it? Let me take away these 5 because it's right in there. So I took out these Asia highs. Money strip. Wait, did we take them out? No, don't tell me we didn't. No, dude. Dude. What the dude, come on. Are you serious right now? You bearish SMT? What are you trying to do, bro? You got a bullish and a bearish SMT, dude. Holy fuck. That is not looking good for us. Bro, what the fuck? It's not looking too pretty. It is not looking too pretty for longs. It is not looking too pretty for longs. Dude, what the fuck? I mean, we did get a retracement inside this 15 gap. I mean, no. Actually, no. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It just made the 15 minutes gap. Okay, you know what? I better just like wait for this to get formed. And if we can get like this thing playing, we're setting up for some serious like stuff, you know. Definitely. And in this case, I guess at this point, I don't know which index is leading because we have a bullish SMT on ES and a bearish SMT on Nasdaq. Okay, so it's kind of like confusing, I guess. Yeah, definitely very confusing. Nah, dude. Actually, Nasdaq seems to be more leading, you know. Come on, if we can just take out these Asia highs, and cancel out the SMT, that would be nice. And then make a retracement. Okay. But otherwise, it's gonna be pretty shitty, you know. Pretty shitty, in my opinion. Yes, okay. Got rid of the SMT, the bullish SMT, the bearish SMT, okay. So I'm gonna remove it. And I'm gonna consider this money sweep. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm not gonna get any entries today, you know? I'm just not gonna get any entries at all. Like, not a 15-minute retracement, not a, like, I don't know why. But I just have this feeling, you know? We didn't even take out these LR, dude. Yeah. All right. No. Yep. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I guess ES is kind of more leading, considering how it's printing, you know. It's already almost above the new week opening gap. So, yeah, yeah. We could be just coming up, yeah. We feel the new week opening up on ES, almost completely on NQ as well. But we could be coming off just to feel, this new week opening gap, and then kind of sort of reverse after that. So you want to see what happens. What happens after this, Because like overall, yeah, I mean we are bullish on the daily, but like, overall we are kind of bearish. So unless we wanna move higher and sweep out these New York PM highs, and this liquidity above us, I would also try to move lower. But as always, it depends on what price it ends up doing. So I'm not a fan of taking shorts now because we are very bullish. Okay, so taking a short is like betting against every odds, against every odd. So like I wouldn't probably do this, me personally. But yeah, dude, seems like nothing is gonna be happening. Yeah. Dude, look at the fucking retracement that we had into this 15-minute fair value gap. To then completely move to the upside again. Like, bro, what are we even doing? And he has didn't even make a retracement, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, sure. Nice price action, Nasdaq. And ES. Like, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Holy, yo, shit, bro. This is a good setup over here. It's a breaker with a fair value gap instead of a breaker. Like, this was basically like a fucking breaker unicorn, you know? Yo, it's I'm gonna charge this shit. It's running low on battery. Gotta charge it up. Also, like in fucking 45 minutes, I'm not gonna be trading any longer, you know? So, like, what's the fucking point? I think that we're gonna be getting any pullbacks, you know? It is a Monday, you know? And yeah, PMI didn't help as well. So, like, hold on. Yeah, this was data highs as well. So, like, yeah, definitely a shitty day. Maybe we could be looking for this 30-minute fair value gap to get retraced into. But then again, we don't really have a breaker. I mean, we kinda do. Get a low high, lower higher high. If we can make a higher high in the first place. So, like, you know, it's kind of hard to tell what price wants to do, really. Yeah. Nice short opportunity, maybe? I don't know. Could be. It's a bit risky indeed, because we are basically very bullish today, and we still have these New York PM highs that are open. So shorting now, basing our analysis just solely on the 5 minutes, is kind of already a bet, it's kind of a bet, because everything is giving me like pretty much bullish signals, but then again we gotta react to what price is giving us, so if I start to see some rejection from these highs, okay, then I could consider, I guess, the idea of a possible short, but only time will tell. Only time is gonna be able to tell us what's gonna happen and what we need to do. As you see, it's way cleaner on ES, the 5 minute fair value gap, instead of compared to the fair value gap that we have here on Nasdaq. So like, yeah. I mean, the fact is that bulls are kind of starting to lose momentum. It seems like, in my opinion, because like we're making. I mean, no, never mind. Dude, my legs are so sore. Shit, my legs are so sore, dude. Fuck. Yo, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing right now? What are we doing? Could we be setting up? Actually, I'm gonna be waiting. Okay. Because as I said, relying solely on the 5 minutes to say, okay, we are starting to flip bearish, it's kind of a bet. Okay, so instead, what I'm gonna be looking for is a retracement. Could be a 5 minute fair value gap, and then if we can see like an inverse fair value gap to the upside, I could take a long. Maybe if we make a fair value gap here, and we say make a low right here, I could be trying to long this all the way up to these London highs, maybe even New York PM highs if we really feel like it. But we gotta see. Okay, we gotta see what price is giving us. Plus, I want to see the 30 minutes first of all. You see, the 30 minutes is already giving me bearish signals because of that long week down. Okay, so we gotta take a decision now. Do we trust the shorts or do we take this as a yo, holy, wait. Hold on. If we can flip this for value gap here, this bearish for value gap, and not just by a bit, like flip it, really flip this, you know. Fuck off, dude. We could be getting some nice rotation now. Okay, we could be getting some nice rotation out of this. You see how the 30 minutes is rejecting from these highs? Okay, dude, I want to fucking let me, dude. I'm getting so pissed off. Okay, like genuinely. Sure. From this 5 minute 3.6. Okay, that would be kind of, you know, we gotta see. Let's see what happens, okay? Because again, we have a 1 minute for value gap here, okay? So we made a retracement into the 5 minutes, okay? If we flip this 1 minute, dude, let's hope it doesn't like die on me, you know, the microphone. For real, bro. Come on, yes, give me something, please. Give me something, please. Oh, Nasdaq did flip this 1 minute for value gap though. You see? Holy, this is big, dude. This could be big. Actually, this is an inverse. Yeah. And but you see how Nasdaq flips, like it's a decent flip, but yes didn't. So and it's still inside of this 5 minute for value gap. So I want to wait a bit more, you know, and really take my time, I guess. This is a 5 minute for value gap here. You have a nice 1 minute for value gap here as well. Yep. pierce through that. Okay. This is starting to look very interesting for some nice shorts, you know. This is very interesting for some nice shorts. Come on, I gotta get back from my $260 loss from the other day, dude. Let's go, come on. Give me a flip, give me a flip, give me a flip, dude. Give me a flip. Give me a full flip, come on. Like you see, dude, this is so fucking shit. Like on Charterway, I cannot take like I cannot buy enter a trade unless the quantity that I buy is a multiple of 3. So I can only buy like 3, 6, 9. Like it's fucking ass because of that. You know, I can't buy 2. If you wanted to buy 2, I wouldn't be able to place a trade. You know, so I gotta like risk more in this case, which fucking sucks. You know, but I guess it is what it is. Just gotta adapt to what I have. You know. Fucking hell, bro. Yeah, let's do some ES, yeah. Come on, dude. Give me a flip. Give me a flip. Give me a flip. Give me a decent flip. Please give me a decent flip. Please. Yes. Very nice. Come on. Make an inverse. Come on. Alright, Nasdaq. I mean, Nasdaq already flipped this gap. Or it's actually standing up to flip this, but it's kind of tiny. You know, I would prefer to take this trade right here because the 5 minute for value gap is bigger. You know. Dude, are you fucking serious right now? Dude, this must be a joke. This must be a joke, dude. This must be a fucking joke, dude. Now go ahead and tell me that you wanna go long now. Come on. Go ahead and tell me that you want a long now. I'm tempted to front run this, you know. And I am very tempted to front run this. You know what? Let's sell 3, come on. Okay, I'm in shorts by now. See if they play out or not. So I'm gonna place my stop above these highs, which are 6.8, 7.8. Above these highs. Yeah. I'm gonna set my TP at I could be setting my TP to these London lows, you know, which are 6.768. It's a long way, dude. It's a long way. We gotta be careful. We gotta be really careful, you know. We gotta be really, really careful. Because we have a breaker here with a fair value gap. So as we reach this area, I'm probably going to want to be break even already, you know, just to play it safe. I mean, if it doesn't play out, I get it. It was kind of, I mean, not a bet, but I had to front run this, you know. because there was no way I would have been able to catch it otherwise. Dude, look at fucking Nasdaq. Holy dude, it's crazy. I mean, it's a good sign, honestly. You know, it's a good sign that Nasdaq is going down so fast. You know, it's moving down so fast. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. Can I just... Yep. We need to see this 5 minute getting inversed. If we don't, then we are in danger. Serious danger. Okay. I'm not gonna mark this out as an inverse already. You know, because it's too early. Definitely too early. Yep. Come on, dude. 30 minutes. Whoa, dude, what the fuck is this? Come on. Like, you can't tell me that I'm gonna get fucking stuff done because of this. Like, seriously, dude. Dude, can I genuinely, like, not... Can you genuinely not do this, please? Okay, so the 5 minutes flipped. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like this. Okay. I like this. I like this. Very nice. So wait, what was my entry? 6858.25. 6858.25. Whoa. $25 actually. Yeah, okay. Okay. I mean, I'm going to skip Nasdaq open as well on this side here, just because but I'm not gonna, look at it that much. Like, you see how we rejected from this 30 minutes? This is a strong rejection after we swept this Asia highs, So we'll see. It's taking a bit of time, to go lower. So I wouldn't really know. I wouldn't really know what price wants to do. See if you wanna tap into the inverse. Oh yeah, let me actually mark this as an inverse fully. Yeah. Let's see. Let's mark this as an inverse and see if we wanna tap. into the inverse already. Right, tap it into the inverse. We should go lower from here. We should go lower after this, because if he flips this again, we could count this as respected, as a bullish respected, and probably just end the trade earlier. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's get rid of this. It's too small. Yeah, no. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Yep. Yep. There it goes. Dude, what the fuck? It didn't even flip, bro. What? Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? I honestly, like, what the fuck is going on, dude? Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This sucks, But like at the same time, you see, this must mean something. Like this means something. Okay. So like, damn, bro. My throat. Yeah, Nasdaq is already. Yeah. mean, I'm not even mad because like this could have been a nice trade, you know. And I executed like perfectly. My entry was like so good. Okay, I had to front run this, which also, you know, allowed me to, like, because I had such a good entry, I had like a smaller stop loss than what I would have had if I were to enter like, if I would have to enter like here, you know. So like, dude, okay, bro, why can't I fucking, holy, well, I could be like, whoa, fuck off, dude. Damn, bro. I mean, sorry, y'all. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, come on. I mean, it's the only trade I'm gonna be taking today because like it's already 5 p.m. for me, and after 5 p.m. I usually don't take any more trades. So either if it stops me out, or you know, it feels me like I wouldn't really mind, you know, because my trade was, you know, was kind of nice. It could have been nice if you played out. Yeah, bro. Nice fade. Nice fucking fade, dude. Nice fucking fade, dude. Yep. Let's see if it holds though. I'm curious. I mean, I'm not like, until I don't get stopped out. I'm not leaving this trade, and I'm not losing faith. You know, I'm not losing faith because like if we came all the way up here, like my stop should be fine. You know, because either we come up here and we have the strength to push even higher, or you know, but it seems like we do have the strength to push even higher. So like, yeah, bro. But I'm not gonna be breaking one of my rules to get out of a trade. You know, if I don't have the reason. Wait, is Nasdaq already above? Yeah, yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. It would have been pretty much stopped out already. Yeah, I would have been stopped out on Nasdaq. Nice. But again, I'm not losing faith. Not losing faith. Yo, what the fuck, dude? Bro, genuinely, dude. What the fuck is going on, dude? Did this 1 minute just hold? The 1 fucking minute had, dude. What the fuck? Dude, this is crazy, honestly. This is fucking crazy. And we have an SMT as well. From this high to this high, and from this high to this high. Where is the SMT? SMT. And SMT. Yep. You see, that's why, like, I that's why I don't have this rule, because like price could even like come up here and not stop me out by like one fucking tick, and then move to my fucking stoppers, to my fucking TP. Okay. That being said, I'm not saying that it's guaranteed that it's gonna go to my TP. Okay, but I could have a chance, considering the SMT that we just put and the fact that the 1 minute for Valigal just held. Okay, so like as I said, my trade was based on my model. Okay, I saw an inverse for Valigal appear. I took the trade. Okay, it was a risky trade because I had to front run this, but that doesn't invalidate the trade. We still flipped this gap. Okay, and if we didn't, I would have had to get out of the trade. But since we flipped, that's why I'm still in the trade. Okay, because it's still valid. And unless we come up here and price fully stops me out, I'm not getting out of the fucking trade. Okay, I don't care. I mean, we just put in a lower high and a lower low, so but we got a reconstruction on Nasdaq, you know. Alright, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna just leave this trade run. What is this? Oh yeah, it's London. It's Asia highs. So I'm getting stuck. Yeah. I'm gonna let this trade run. It's currently 5 p.m. for me, so I'm not gonna be looking for any more trades. I I'm gonna update you guys on how this trade goes. Okay, if it goes to my TP or my stop loss, but it's more likely that it's gonna move for my stop at this point, considering how long it's taking, to move. Um, so yeah, um, yeah, no, definitely don't wanna be taking any more trades today. Hi, Kidor. I didn't actually see you. Uh, yeah, sorry. I didn't look at the chat that much. Probably like sent a message like 10 fucking minutes ago. I didn't even see it. Let me go see if I can see like the time where you sent the message. Yo, what, dude? I'm back in profit. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Okay, this is crazy, dude. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my connection is not loading for shit, dude. I can't even see. Come on, motherfucker. No, I cannot see. I can't see. Yeah, I cannot. I can't see, unfortunately. Whatever. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, I'm gonna let this one run, see if it goes to my TPM or my stop loss, and I'm gonna update you. Probably make a YouTube post at this point, or even just simply on the Discord. Uh, Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do both. Yeah, I'm gonna do both because like why not? And yeah, I mean, this is everything for today, and yeah, it was not such a great day, honestly, considering the price action that we got. Basically, like chopping around now, we got like big, massive move up. Then we got like consolidation. Probably going to get myself stopped during New York lunch or New York PM session. I don't know. So like we'll see.